Welcome. If you're someone who loves staying updated on Snapchat but often misses silent notifications, this quick guide is just what you need. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to enable vibration for Snapchat's silent notifications, so you never miss an alert again. First, grab your phone and head straight to your phone settings. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section shows all the applications installed on your device. Next, look for Snapchat in the list of apps and tap on it. This will take you to Snapchat's specific settings, where you can control everything from permissions to notifications. Tap on Notifications to move forward. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see an option titled Notification Categories. Tap on this to reveal all the different types of notifications Snapchat sends. Under the General category, find Silent Notifications. This is exactly where the vibration toggle hides. Now here's the key step. Tap on Silent Notifications, and you'll see the option to toggle vibration. Turn this option on, and instantly, your phone will vibrate whenever a silent notification from Snapchat arrives. This means you get gentle alerts without any sound, perfect for when you're in a meeting or somewhere quiet, but still want to stay connected. And that's it. Enabling vibration for Snapchat silent notifications is straightforward, but can make a big difference in how you stay on top of your messages and updates. If you ever want to switch it off, just follow these steps again and toggle the vibration option back off. Keeping your device notifications tailored to your preference ensures you never miss important moments without the distraction of loud sounds. Try this out today and enjoy Snapchat on your terms, with subtle vibrations keeping you in the loop. Thanks for watching.